Did you know the number of female truck drivers has grown by over 30% in the past decade? And yet, women still make up less than 10% of the trucking workforce. Why is that? And what's fueling this shift now? Stick around to learn why trucking companies are desperate for women drivers. It's no secret that the trucking industry is facing a serious crisis. According to the American Trucking Association's ATA, there was a record shortage of 61,000 drivers in 2019. By 2031, that number could skyrocket to 160,000. The pandemic only made things worse as fewer new drivers were able to train during that time. But amidst these challenges, something unexpected happened. More women began stepping up to the wheel. Take Desiree Johnson, for example. After 18 years in nursing, she decided to switch gears, literally. Now she's preparing for her CDL test and making history as the first female truck driver in her family. And she's not alone. Mark Bird, founder of New Reflections CDL School, reports a 70% increase in women enrolling in their programs. It's not just about filling vacancies, though. Women like Desiree are proving they have what it takes to succeed in an industry traditionally dominated by men. And their presence is helping to reshape trucking in profound ways. So what's behind these record-breaking numbers? Let's dig deeper. For decades, trucking was seen as a man's job. Ellen Voy, founder of the Women in Trucking Association, recalls how carriers used to prefer hard-working farm boys who grew up driving heavy equipment. But times have changed. Today, women like Desiree Johnson are shattering that image. Desiree, a former nurse of 18 years, decided to switch gears and pursue trucking. She's now preparing for her CDL test with determination and pride, becoming the first female truck driver in her family. For Desiree, trucking isn't just a job, it's a way to contribute to the economy while paving the way for future female drivers. Support networks like the Women in Trucking (WAT) Association have been instrumental in breaking down these stereotypes. They provide mentorship, resources, and a community for women entering the industry. Events like the annual WIT conference showcase the accomplishments of female truckers, proving that women are not just surviving in this field, they're thriving. Even longtime truckers like 73-year-old Idella Hansen, who has been driving since she was 18, have noticed the shift.
Idella M. Hansen. I reside in Camden, Arkansas, and I've been driving almost 50 years. That's all I admit to.
I'm seeing more ladies at the fuel island, more ladies dropping and hooking, she shared in a 2023 interview. It's a testament to how far the industry has come and how much further it can go. But trucking isn't just breaking barriers, it's offering major benefits too. So, why are more women choosing trucking? For starters, the financial opportunities are hard to ignore. Trucking offers competitive pay, with many drivers earning $60,000 or more annually. For women looking for financial independence, it's a game changer. Flexibility is another major draw. Unlike traditional 9-to-5 jobs, trucking allows drivers to set their schedules and explore the open road. Modern trucks are also becoming more inclusive with designs that accommodate a diverse range of drivers. From adjustable seats to automated transmissions, these innovations make the job more accessible than ever. And let's not forget the sense of freedom and camaraderie. Many female truckers describe the trucking community as a second family, full of supportive colleagues who have each other's backs. For sisters like the Johnsons, who are training together to earn their CDLs, it's an opportunity to build lifelong memories while achieving their goals. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Here's why women love it. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Women in trucking still face unique challenges. Safety is a top concern, with many female drivers taking extra precautions when stopping overnight. Apps like Doc 411, which provide detailed information about delivery locations, and community platforms hosted by WA, are helping women navigate these challenges. Work-life balance is another hurdle. Long hours on the road can make it difficult to maintain relationships or spend time with family. However, companies like Prime Inc. are stepping up by adding amenities such as daycare facilities, private bunk rooms, and healthcare options at their terminals. These changes show a growing commitment to making trucking a viable career for women with families. There's also the issue of workplace culture. Despite progress, some women still report feeling unwelcome or underestimated. This is where strong diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) initiatives come into play. According to the 2023 WIT Index, 56.4% of trucking companies now have formal DEI policies, with another 19.3% developing them. Despite the challenges, women are finding solutions and thriving. The future of trucking is looking brighter and more inclusive. As companies realize the value of a diverse workforce, they're taking steps to attract and retain female drivers. Competitive pay, flexible schedules, and family-friendly policies are becoming standard in many organizations. According to a 2023 survey by WIT, the top 3 factors women consider when choosing a trucking job are pay, company reputation, and scheduling flexibility. Companies that prioritize these elements are more likely to succeed in recruiting female talent. Moreover, associations like WIT are continuing to push for change, advocating for better workplace policies and hosting events that celebrate the achievements of female truckers. The result? A more equitable industry that's better prepared to tackle the challenges ahead. In recent years, the trucking industry has seen a significant cultural shift, with male drivers increasingly welcoming and supporting their female counterparts on the road. While trucking has long been viewed as a male-dominated field, many veteran drivers now recognize the value women bring to the profession, whether it's their focus on safety, adaptability, or professionalism. Stories of male mentors offering guidance and encouragement to female trainees are becoming more common, highlighting a growing sense of camaraderie and mutual respect within the industry. This positive change is further reinforced by companies fostering inclusive environments and promoting teamwork between male and female drivers. As the industry evolves, this shift toward greater acceptance and collaboration is not only creating a more supportive workplace, but also strengthening the trucking community as a whole. So is truck driving a good career for women? Absolutely. From financial independence to personal growth, the benefits are clear. And as more women join the industry, they're not just filling seats, they're changing the game. To all the women out there considering a career in trucking, the road is open and the opportunities are endless. Join the movement and be part of the future of transportation. What do you think about women taking over the trucking industry? Are you inspired by these stories? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of trucking. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.